Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot LENOVO Tab K11. Alright, the process is really easy. All we need to do to reboot this device is to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. As you can see, the power menu appears. Now simply select the reboot function. Now our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and it will be ready to use. Also, I will tell that performing a reboot from time to time is good for your device health and its performance, because basically during that process our tab rests. Also, the RAM gets freed up, so that is why it's worth performing from time to time. Also, if you have some issues with the apps, for example, during my usage of this device, once I had a situation when one of the apps didn't want to launch at all. That was the moment when I have performed a reboot and everything started working properly. So if you have some issues like that, you can try rebooting your device and it might help, just like in my case. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.